Hey guys.
Hi,
Next generation.
Natalie.
Jen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. We went to the movies today, and guess what we watched?
I Love You, Beth Cooper.
Oh yeah.
It
It
was
was
hilarious.
hilarious.
Gonna laugh your ass off.
Yes.
Except if you're making out.
Yeah. But we were not.
Well,
Yeah.
Natalie. We're not gonna lie.
Okay.
Natalie.
It was
Admit it.
okay.
Tell him all about it. Your wonderful day.
It's YouTube. I'm not gonna
I know.
tell him about how I made out. Ooh, there he is. My boyfriend. Okay, hold on. My boyfriend. Ben. I love you. Oh. Okay.
She's so in love.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh.
She's too.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
You're all on yourself.
I know. I ought you too.
Oh.
Oh.
We're about to go to bed.
Because we're really tired.
Yeah.
But someone's not calling us.
Yeah. I
And we
wonder
have to
who that
wait.
is.
Damn.
Bad. Huh.
So what's up, YouTube?
Yeah. Yeah, what's
Tell
up?
us your story.
Ask us anything
Yeah.
if you want to. Like,
And
comment.
add us, please,
Yeah.
or subscribe.
We need
We need more views. We need to be in the little scroll thingy, you know, when you
What
type
are you
something.
doing?
You know,
No, what are you doing? It's a column.
you know when you type something and it shows like the
Yeah.
Yes, and we're not on there.
Yeah. It
So
sucks.
more subscribers, please.
We suck.
No, we don't.
No, we don't. We
Just
rock.
we have lots of videos for compared to some other people. Just we
And
haven't
you
made
know
the
who
list.
you are.
We
Mm-hmm.
just haven't made the list.
Yeah.
So anyway, so depressing.
JD wants to read and leave me alone.
No,
It's
and she
sad.
wants to talk on the phone,
Yeah.
but he won't call.
Yeah.
30
No,
more
but
seconds.
I have to call him though.
30 seconds are over.
Well, I have to call him. But he said he'll call me right
There's
back.
a red light on your camera.
Yeah, because it's recording. When will you ever learn?
I've never really seen your. I've never seen your camera that much.
Oh,
Kilmer.
cat. Oh. So, Jenny, what's up?
Natalie. Nothing much. I'm just lying in my bed next to you.
Who? Next to me.
Mm-hmm. And Edward is watching us.
Yes.
You should
See,
sit up.
look. Wait.
He watches us when we
Ooh, isn't that so hot?
sleep.
Okay, well,
Okay.
watch our videos, comment, subscribe, do whatever.
Message us. Whatever.
You just do something.
Give us more ideas or something.
Do
We
something.
need more subscribers.
And
we want to
viewers
get a
and
little scroll button.
I know, yeah, please.
Okay,
I
we
love you, Ben. Yeah.